our channel. Today we will be talking about 6 totally factual things you should know before getting a kitten or a cat. First off, we'll like to go into some cat history about domestic cats.
So the cat is thought to be a descendant of the African wildcat. It can be traced back to ancient Egypt, where they were even considered to be sacred. Now let's get into the first-ish part.
Cats have long been plotting world domination and have found their place among us for centuries, where they secretly and cutely plot to destroy us all. I know what you all are thinking, who's this crazy conspiracy theorist? But I totally have proof. I mean, look, I am a cat lover, just look at my outfit. And if I were a witch, which I'm totally not, my familiar would be a cute little grey cat called Pixie. You can see I'm totally not a witch. So back to this proof I was talking about. Ben and my mom will recall one evening as I was walking home from work, I saw this adorable little calico kitty sitting on someone's roof right next to a satellite. Listen intently to the messages from the Global Society of Kitty Overlords, and this guy was in on it! He was in on it! I'm sure you're here to learn facts, so let's get into it.
Number 1. Get a puppy and a kitten at the same time.
Now I know some people say you're either a cat person or you're a dog person, but you can totally be both. A puppy will act as your eyes and ears and keep tabs on your cat. That way, they plot to take over the world and have a bunch of hiccups.
Agent C, report for duty. Number 2. Enrich your cat.
This can be something small like a ball of yarn, catnip, cute shiny toys, or my personal tip, a full fish tank. You're probably thinking, a fish tank? But trust me, your cat will enjoy watching the fish and be distracted from the bigger plan.
World domination.
And start focusing on ways to get inside the fish tank without getting wet so that they can catch the fish and eat them. Or, as our personal experience has been, they will rustle you for the fish food.
Number 3. Socialize your cat.
The general rule is sooner is better than later. You can do this by raising your cat with other animals or introducing them to other humans. Chances are, if you do this, your cat will be less of a douche.
Number 4. Grooming your cat.
Brush them regularly to prevent the fur from matting, especially as your cats get older because they'll be unable to groom themselves properly. This will also appeal to their ego a bit, so win-win.
Number 5. Picking up your cat.
As we know, cats are evil, but they scare easily. So it's really important to go up to their face first, let them sniff your hands, and then pick them up slowly using both hands. Making sure to support them, like this, and I'll show you. And go like this. Pick up your cat, making sure to hold them closely to your body for support. Second option, like this. Support him with his back legs. Of course we couldn't make our model happy, because he isn't happy unless he's terrorizing everyone else.
And lastly, number 6. How to properly annoy your cat.
Okay, this is really important. Step 1. Wear thick gloves and other personal protective gear you think you might need. Step 2. Go all in.
Disclaimer. Following this advice may result in serious bodily injury.
Step 3, and this is the most important part. Know when to stop and run away.